Hannah, what are you doing? What do you have to say? What are you gonna say? What? What?
Brayden.
What are you gonna say? Brayden, Michael. What did you put on his back?
A sticker that says back.
Don't do that.
There you go. There you go, Hannah. Hannah, good, yeah.
That's mean. Don't do that. Hey!
That means she's good.
Hi!
Is that good or bad?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. Yeah. I can make her smile. I can make her smile. You just want to say something? But she can't. Don't taste me. I don't really taste good.
Stop, Brayden.
I don't. Hannah, good. Hannah, good. Huh? You're good. I just want to say something. You're a little kid and you can't. Soon you will. She is warm.
Mhm. What? What?
She just doesn't want that hanging.
What?
It goes over here.
What?
So she can't reach it. Is Hannah being good? Hannah being good. Is she pooping?
Mm-mm.
It looks like she's trying to poop.
No, she's just moving.